Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to forward message on TikTok. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your TikTok account. Now you should have to tap on inbox icon, which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Then tap on message whom you want to forward or whose message you want to forward. So I'm tapping here. Then tap on message like this until you will see the option of forward. So tap on forward here. Then send on the account or select the account who you want to send, and even you can type a message here like this, or even just you can send it by saying nothing by tapping on send icon like this. Then here you can see this is the forwarded message, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.